In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Photoshop to create and convert paths to selections. If you've ever struggled to get clean edges or precise cutouts, this is the technique that gives you professional control without guesswork. First, select the pen tool. The quickest way is to press P on your keyboard. You'll see the pen icon active, which means you're ready to draw a path. Think of the pen tool as a way to lay down anchor points that define a shape. Every point you place becomes part of a path, and Photoshop connects those points with straight segments by default. Start by clicking to place your first point, click again somewhere else to add another point, and you'll notice Photoshop draws a straight line between them. Continue clicking around the object or area you want to outline. The key is to place fewer well-considered points rather than many tiny ones. Fewer points usually give you smoother results and are easier to manage. Keep moving around your subject, placing points where the direction changes, and let the path connect them. When you reach a curved edge, click and drag instead of just clicking. This creates handles that control the curvature of the path. The direction and length of those handles determine how the curve flows. Drag in the direction you want the curve to go, and use shorter drags for tighter curves and longer drags for broader, smoother arcs. Take your time. Gentle, deliberate drags usually produce the cleanest lines. If the curve doesn't look right, try placing the next point a little farther along the edge and adjust your drag to match the contour. As you trace around your subject and return to where you began, close the path by clicking back on the very first point. You'll typically see a small indicator near the cursor that confirms you're about to close the shape. Once you click, the path becomes a complete enclosed outline, which is ideal for selections. To turn this path into a selection, right-click directly on the path and choose Make Selection. A dialog will appear. For crisp edges, a feather radius of 0 is fine. If you want a slightly softer edge, a small feather value can help. Click OK and you'll see the familiar marching ants, confirming your path is now an active selection. From here, you can use that selection for masking, filling, or targeted adjustments, all with the precision the pen tool provides.